Listen to me. You were not born to break. You were not born to quit, to hide, or to run. You were born to stand, even when your legs shake. You were born to fight, even when the odds are stacked high. Life will hit you harder than anything else. It will test your will, your faith, your patience. But remember this: every struggle, every scar, every sleepless night is shaping something inside of you. Something powerful, something unshakable. You don't have to be the fastest, you don't have to be the smartest, but you must be the one who refuses to give up. When others stop, you keep going. When others doubt, you believe. When others fall, you rise. Because you are not here to live in the shadows. You are here to become the fire, to light your way and lead others out of the dark. So hold your head up, set your soul on fire, and walk like the warrior you were born to be.